Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Diana. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing great and you guys are taking care of yourselves properly and you guys are keeping yourselves healthy, because with what's going on with the world right now, let's just hope and pray that the virus is really gonna go away soon, because it's already affecting a lot of people. It's affecting the world's economy. A lot of jobs are at stake, and a lot of companies are suffering. So hopefully things will go better as soon as possible. And yeah, that's the best thing that we can do, pray, aside from the fact that of course you make sure that you wash your hands as often as you can, use alcohol, use sanitizer, wear masks if you go to public places, those things to prevent from getting the virus. And if you feel like you are sick, stay at home, guys. Don't go out, okay? Just stay there. You may or you may not have the virus. Keep yourselves, do a self-quarantine for some span of days, I don't know, but yeah, keep yourselves away from the crowd as much as possible, okay? So for today's video, guys, I am going to do a review of the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24-Hour Under Eye Concealer. So I think everyone is really familiar about this. Let me show you the container. So yes, that's the box right there. So I know, guys, you are really familiar about this one, because I believe this has been in the market for a long time already. Less than a year, but maybe 6 or 7 months abroad. But in the Philippines, because I actually saw a lot of foreigner vloggers who already did a review of this one last year, maybe around July or August of 2019. But for the Filipino makeup vloggers, I just saw a lot of vlogs about this product the last 2 months ago, maybe January or February. Actually decided to get this from Watson's in the Philippines. I think I got this in SM Cebu Watson's, and this actually retails 399 pesos in Watson's Philippines. I decided to just get one shade of this product because I believe this is all I need. I don't want to buy a lot of extra right now. I don't want to buy a lot of unnecessary stuff right now, because you know what's going on. I just did a skin match, and then whatever match my skin, then that's what I got. So I got the shade 15, which is the light. I know Maybelline, this product has actually Maybelline released 12 shades of this one, and this is actually shade 15 in light color. So let's try. So guys, that's how the product looks like. Yes. Yeah. Okay. And it says, this full coverage yet lightweight concealer features a precise paddle applicator that effortlessly glides the formula onto the skin for a smooth, seamless finish. Our under eye concealer is waterproof, transfer and smudge resistant, and lasts for up to 24 hours. I'm not going to do a 24-hour test right now, but I just want to check if it really can cover the things that I need to cover on my eye or on my face. So if you look at the applicator, guys, it's actually a little different compared to the other concealers that I've tried. So for me, this is good because it's a little wider. So let's see if this works really when you glide it to your skin. So guys, I decided to move closer to the camera so you can see how really the product works. And right now I don't have anything on my face, of course, aside from the regular skincare that I use, and it's really shiny right now. That's because of the sunblock that I applied to my skin earlier today. And you see, my under eye is really dark right now. Oh my god. So that's actually the reason why I decided to film this test for the Maybelline concealer, to see how if this really can cover this really dark under eye right now. I don't know, I actually had a lot of sleep lately, like a lot, like complete 8 hours, normally 7 to 8 hours if I'm not mistaken, but still I get this dark under eye. So let's see our Maybelline Superstay 24-hour concealer can do something about this. So guys, half of my face has a foundation, the other half does not have anything except my regular skincare. So I'm going to apply the Maybelline Superstay concealer to my under eye with and without foundation. Why we're doing this? So because a lot of people actually use foundations before they put the concealer, and some people also use concealer without even putting foundation to their face. They're just contented with the concealer. So that's why we're doing this. So let's try first applying the concealer to the side where it has foundation. Okay, so look at that, guys. Well, actually the applicator is nice. The applicator is good. This one to mix it. Let's bring it here. For some reason, the shade went so light on me. We tried this actually in the mall. But yes, actually, if you look at that, if you look at the difference with the foundation and without the foundation, this one without the foundation and without the concealer, this one is with the foundation and with the concealer. If you ask me, yes, it covered a lot. I'm not sure if it's just my under eye is really just so dark that that I can still see a portion of this part here that's still visible. Yeah, so yes, I can still see a little, but actually it's okay, it's good. Now let's try to apply to the part where it does not have a foundation at all. Let's of course use the sponge again. Basically it's nice. For me it's almost the same with or without the foundation. It can cover still. Let me add some more. Let's see if it can really. I think you can see that naman. Let me add a little. Let's see if. Yeah, that's a little better. Guys, if you look at it, so I actually like it. It gives a really, it's true, it gives a smooth finish. I actually did not wear any powder on top of this one yet. I don't think it needs powder though, because it gives really a matte finish. And you know, this one with the foundation, it's also nice, it's good, but I think I would prefer to wear this without a foundation, just like, you know, with your skincare, and then put a little here and a little here and here. I think it will be good. Although you can see that there are still marks here, under eye marks, but don't get me wrong, no concealer has successfully removed this under eye mark right here in my eye. It really calls for attention, so I don't know, but yeah, I'm happy with the result of this one. I think this is good. I recommend that you get this one. It's true, it's full coverage, really. It's full coverage, and it's matte finish. I like it. I cannot tell you yet if this really lasts long, because I have not tried wearing this one outside, so maybe I'll try to see. I'm not gonna do a 24-hour test for this product, but definitely probably 8 to 16 hours I will have to do that in the future. But if you're asking me, I will recommend this is a good buy. This is a good buy. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe down below, and please click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.